Imagine this. You're the practice manager. It's Monday morning. You walk in, and instead of facing that mountain of paperwork, you grab your tablet.
You open up Dentistry Dashboard.
Boom! All your essential checklists and logs right there at your fingertips.
Everything neatly organized and easy to access.
So no more digging through files trying to find the right form or remember when something was last checked.
It's all there in the system.
So tell me, how does this actually work in practice? Like, what kind of specific checklists are we talking about?
Well, you've got your dedicated boards for all the essential stuff, like decontamination.
Right, super important.
Absolutely. Nurse surgery checklists, fire safety, equipment maintenance, you name it, it's in there.
Okay, so let's say I'm the practice manager and I want to make sure our fire safety checks are up to date.
Easy peasy, you just jump onto the fire safety board.
And then I see.
You'll see a list of all the necessary tasks laid out nice and clear. When the alarm panel was last tested, if the fire extinguishers have been inspected, the whole 9 yards.
And the best part is, I'm assuming, all this is timestamped.
You got it. Everything is recorded with a date and time. So if you ever need to demonstrate compliance during an inspection, you're golden.
That's huge. I mean, no more scrambling through files trying to find that one piece of paper.
No way. It's all right there in the digital log.
I love it. Okay, so that's the manager's perspective.
Right.
What about the actual clinical staff? How does Dentistry Dashboard help them out on a daily basis?
So let's say you're a nurse prepping surgery. You grab your phone.
Everyone's got their phone these days.
Exactly. And instead of hunting down a paper checklist, you just scan a QR code on the wall.
Hold on, QR codes? Now that's smart.
Right. Instant access to the correct checklist right on your phone. No need for separate logins or anything.
And I bet it's always the most up-to-date version.
Absolutely. No more worries about whether you're using the latest version or if someone accidentally grabbed the wrong sheet.
I can already see how much time and headache this would save.
For real. And it's not just about time saving, it's about peace of mind too. Everything's been done correctly.
Exactly. All right, but what happens if something unexpected comes up? Like a piece of equipment malfunctions?
No problem. That's where those customizable fields come in really handy. So if a dentist notices a faulty light in the surgery, for example.
Oh, that's happened to me before.
Right. They just open up the relevant checklist, select the field for equipment issues, and boom, they can log the details of the problem.
So it's not just about ticking boxes, it's about actually managing those day-to-day challenges that pop up.
Exactly. You can even attach photos or documents if you need to, so everything's all together in one place.
Talk about organized. Now, you mentioned dentists, right? Can the practice owner themselves use this system too?
Oh, absolutely. In fact, it's a game changer for practice owners.
How so?
Picture this. It's Friday afternoon. You've had a long week. You're at home relaxing.
Ah, that sounds nice.
And you want to just do one final check, make sure everything is running smoothly before the weekend.
Well, normally that would mean going back to the practice or digging through a ton of paperwork.
Not anymore. With the Dentistry Dashboard, you can just log in on your laptop or phone and review every single completed checklist from the comfort of your own home.
So I can see if the decontamination procedures were followed, if the fire safety checks were done, if the surgeries were properly prepped.
You got it. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire practice, anytime, anywhere.
That's incredible. It's like having a virtual practice manager on call 24/7.
Exactly. You get that peace of mind knowing that everything is running smoothly, even when you're not physically there.
I can see how this would be a game changer for practice owners who are always on the go or have multiple practices to manage.
Totally. It gives you that level of control and oversight that was practically impossible before.
I'm sold. Now, I have to ask, is this just about checklists? Or is there more to Dentistry Dashboard?
Oh, there's so much more. It's like the Swiss Army knife of practice management tools.